In this video, we'll unbox the MSI VENTUS 2X Black RTX 4060 and install it into my Be Quiet PC build. The graphics card is quite compact, hence the small box. Let's just open the box, like so. I don't think we'll find any kind of accessories, because this is one of the cheapest MSI GPUs you can find. I mean, from the RTX 4060 range. And indeed, all we have here is just the regular documentation, such as European Union regulatory notices and quick start guide. This is the bag that the graphics card comes in. And here it is. It has a lot of protective film all over it. Over here on the shroud, as well as on the backplate. In terms of display connections, we get 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The PCIe port is protected by a plastic cover. Let's peel the protective film, shall we? And that is it. On the backplate, we have the GeForce logo and MSI logo. The backplate is plastic, which is to be expected from such a cheap graphics card. And the shroud is also plastic. But overall, this is a pretty good looking GPU. It's neutral, I would say. I think it will fit in well into my PC. Power is delivered via a single 8-pin connector. There are no LED lights on this GPU. The heatsink fins are running horizontally, and we do get 2 heat pipes that dissipate heat away from the GPU. Furthermore, the memory modules are cooled by the heat plate over here. There you can see it connecting with the heat plate. Let's go ahead and install this thing. And the screw goes in. Time to plug in the power cable. There we go. Here is what a finished build looks like. I think that the MSI VENTUS 2X feels right at home in any PC build that predominantly features black colors. It turned out pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see me test this PC build featuring the RTX 4060, then you should follow my main channel at the link in the description below, or simply search for iVadim on YouTube. I'll test it in a multitude of resolutions, including ultra-wide, as well as 4K, 1440p and 1080p, of course. If you're interested in any of the products featured in this video, you can find them on Amazon at the links in the description below. And don't forget to reward this video with a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.